Hi boys and girls! On this learning video, we are going to be learning how to find main topic and key details of a text. Last week, you guys did an excellent job finding main topic. So we're just going to do a little refresher on that, but we're going to add in how to find key details as well. All right, let's remind ourselves about main topic. How do I find the main topic? Well, remember, you're going to ask yourself, after you're done reading, you're going to ask yourself, what is this mostly about? And when you answer that question, that's going to give you a really good idea what our main topic is. You're also going to look for the repeated words or phrases in the text. So remember I told you, if you see the word cat, 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 cat over and over again in your text, there is a good chance that your main topic is cat. All right, key details. Key details give us more information about the main topic. So key details are going to come straight out of my text. They are going to be giving me details about my main topic. So if my main topic is cat, a key detail from the text could say, cats are loving. Cats are soft and fuzzy, cuddly animals. Those would be key details. All of those key details are giving me more information about cats. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to read this text. While we're reading, I want you to go ahead and think to yourself, what is this mostly about? I also want you to be paying attention to any words that you see or that you hear being repeated. All right, go ahead and follow along with me as we read. A wetland is a type of habitat in Florida. Other types of habitats found in Florida are coastal, forests, prairies, and scrubs. A wetland is land that is covered with water. Some wetlands are covered with water all year. Other wetlands are covered with water only part of the year. Some wetlands are as small as a backyard. Other wetlands cover huge areas of land. Wetland habitats have everything that the animals need to live. It has food, water, shelter, and oxygen. Wetland habitats are home to many animals. Okay, well, I hope you were thinking about repeated words that you heard and what was this mostly about. Before we move on, let's take a look over here. I see an awesome text feature. I see a photograph. Remember, a photograph is a real life picture. I can tell that this is a real life picture somebody took with a camera. This looks like a picture of a wetland to me. Photographs are real life pictures taken with camera, so it's not a drawing. A drawing would be an illustration. This is a photograph. And then I also see another thing down here. Oh, I remember this from last week. This is a caption. Remember, a caption is words, so a sentence or maybe a few words that describe the picture. They give me more information about the photograph. Let's read this caption. It says, "This is a large wetland covering a big area of land." Oh, okay. Yeah, because it told me some wetlands could be small, but then some wetlands were very big. So this is what a big wetland looks like. That caption really helped me out and gave me more information about the photograph. All right, let's go ahead and let's look for repeated words. We just read our text. Remember, I told you those repeated words are really going to help us find the main topic. Let's go ahead and see what repeated words were in the text. Oh, wow. Okay, so there are a lot of repeated words in here. So this is going to give me awesome clues as to what our main topic is. Let's read the repeated words. Wetland, habitat, habitats. Wetland, wetlands, 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 wetland habitats, and wetland habitats. Oh, and even our caption down here has wetland. Well, boys and girls, I hope after hearing all those repeated words, you know what our main topic is. All right, so let's ask ourselves those repeated words. We heard wetland and we heard habitats. We heard those words over and over and over in the text. And if we ask ourselves that question, what was this mostly about? Well, yeah, it was mostly about wetland habitats. So, boys and girls, our main topic must be wetland habitats. Do you see how that helped us, the repeated words, and then asking ourselves that really important question, what is this mostly about? We came to wetland habitats very easily. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at key details. So this is that new information that we're learning this week. So remember, key details are going to give us more information about the main topic. Well, we know our main topic is wetland habitats. All right, so we have some details from our text. So not every single detail in your text is going to be a key detail. Remember, a key detail is giving us more information about the main topic. So I'm going to have to ask myself, is this giving me more information about the main topic? Remember, our main topic is wetland habitats. Well, if I take a look, let's read. Wetland habitats have everything that the animals need to live. Does that give me more information about wetland habitats? It sure does. That's why it's circled. Wetland habitats have everything that the animals need to live is most definitely a key detail. Let's take a look at this next one. A wetland is land that is covered in water. What do you think? Do you think that's a key detail? Is that giving us more information about our main topic, wetland habitats? I hope you said yes, because it sure is. A wetland is land that is covered in water, is giving me more information about wetland habitats. Let's take a look at our next one. Other types of habitats found in Florida are coastal, forest, prairies, and scrubs. Well, this has the word habitats in it, but is it giving me any information about wetland habitats? Is it telling me anything about wetland habitats? Let's read it again. Other types of habitats found in Florida are coastal, forest, prairies, and scrubs. What do you think? Is that a key detail? Is it giving me more information about wetland habitats? I hope you said no. It is not a key detail. Although it comes from our text and we read it in our text, it's not a key detail. It's not giving me more information about my main topic, wetland habitats. All right, boys and girls, I hope that you are able to find key details in a text now. Remember, key details are going to give us more information about our main topic, okay? So you're gonna wanna look for your main topic first, and then you're gonna be able to find the key details. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and get started on your practice.